Welcome to the course for TSQL programming and scripting for SQL Server Database Administrator and Developer. In this video session, we are going to learn about login triggers. We have already completed the topic. If you want to restrict the number of SQL Server connection, we have done from the first example. Then we have learned how we can limit the connection for particular user, not particular user, for user. If you want, any user can create only 3 sessions with the SQL Server. That also we have created it. So no user here in the first programming, number of connection we have made means total whatever user will be there, or we want SQL Server has to create only 50 sessions. In other program, it is not like that. We have limited for the user. So user can any user can create maximum 3 sessions. If 10 user is there, they can create 30 sessions. If 9 user is there, then 27 sessions, like that. And the third example we have already learned, like if you want, like your SQL Server, anybody can connect using the SQL Server, or specific any client application you want to connect with the SQL Server. Nobody will able to connect with a different application, either it is command prompt or PowerShell or .NET features. It will not allow you to connect. After that, we have learned about these things. So today we are going to learn and develop the script. Like we want any user should be connected specific framework of the time. Means a user who is, I want to give the permission for particular user to work only in the night time. For that, I'm going to create the trigger. So in morning, it will not work. Let's see in the example, then you will understood more. I'm going directly to my code and I will copy. I have pasted this code, right? Let's see if I have any trigger created. I will delete this. Okay. I will just delete my old all trigger, which one I have created. Okay. Okay. So now what we are going to do? Okay. So here I'm writing create trigger and trigger name on all server for login. That is the common for all. After that, I'm writing begin and I'm checking if I'm writing if loop. If original underscore login is equal to Tom. So I told you specific login we want to connect. We want to give the permission to, he can connect between this to this time window. So if this login is matched with Tom, trigger is going to be fired. So trigger will fire whenever somebody will try to log in. Once he will try to log in, trigger will automatically fire. With the trigger will fire, what it will do? It will check whether that user has tried to make the session with the SQL Server. What is his login name? Which login he's tried to connect? He will check if it is Tom. His login name is Tom. Then it will be checked for one more condition, that it will be checked for between this timing and this timing, right? So that's why I've written into the both. So login name should be this, and timing frame should be 6 to 16. 16 means what? 4 p.m. So I can say 6 a.m. to 4 p.m. Why? Because I can see in my time is 15, 14, 1. So that's why I have given the 16. So 16 means he will able to connect, right? So what is time now? Now you can see 15:41, right? So 50:41 means I will give this 15 only. I will make little bit 15, or otherwise I will give 14. So now if I will give the time window, means this time window only he will able to connect. If it is the more than different time window, it will not allow to connect. Okay, because condition is not going to be match, right? So this Tom user is only allowed from 6 a.m. to 2 p.m. Now the timing is now 15. So it is a 3:42 p.m. So it will not allowed. So just I have created a login. So I will try to log in with Tom. Let's see what is the error we are getting. Okay. So I was able to connect. So what I'm going to do, I will make this as 16. instead of create, I will add alter. So I have executed now. Now I will try to connect with Tom. In this point, what is going to be, trigger is going to be fired. Why? Because I have given the timing 6 to 16, right? He is not able to connect. Rollback is going to be happen, right? So he will not allow to connect with this timing. So that's why rollback is happen and it is shown trigger is no fired. So what you understood? So like this, if I will change to some other login, I will go with the SA. Let's see. I was able to connect. So it is for the particular user from this time to this time only he will not able to connect, right? So that's, I hope you understood how we have written this. And no, so thanks for watching this video. Please watch my next video. There we are going some audit purpose. We will use login trigger. So thanks for watching this video. Thank you so much.